guys, welcome back, and weird intros. I can't do one video without a weird intro. Anyway, welcome back, and I've done very many videos like this. Like two, actually, not a lot. But today, I am fixing this old slime. Doesn't look cold, but trust me, it is. It's sticky, but not stretchy. So we're just going to kind of fix that. Just gonna give you a little demo. Just opening activator for needs. A little bit of a demo. Let's in. Why are they? That's really like the whole slime. I am doing the whole slime, so I'm stretching. And making sure the slime doesn't go overboard. Hey, well, it is in a different container, all of it, but I just tried to set the lid on top, and yeah. Oh wait, that's the end of the video. Dun dun dun. Weirdest clicking noise ever. I also did set this an activator for about a month because I did a video earlier today where I did a month opening checkup on the slimes. Yeah. And it's I remembered I had set it an activator, but that was because it was so sticky when you touch it and it would not come off of you. So setting it an activator really didn't seem like it would have an effect to me. That's probably what was on the top. Sometimes slime oil. I don't know. Slime oil. I don't know what it's called. Gets into it, like it will come off the slime. Okay, there we go. Dang, that's heavy. That's heavy. So I am doing the whole slime today, but let's get right into the video because I've wasted 3 minutes of just like talking, I guess. So first ingredient we put in is this gentle foaming hand soap. I just found this stuff laying around my house. You can do the same if you have slime and random stuff laying around your house and a bad slime. I use this in lots of videos. You may have seen it if you've seen other videos. I'm using a lot because we have so much of that stuff and it smells so good. But the weird part is I also have scented things in here, like, well, not scented things, but things I'll be putting in that have scents for slimes, and not even just slimes, like different things that would work in slime. Which, you know, sometimes Sephora is my friend, but let's just kind of mix this quickly. Put that on my shot. Caution. So good to everybody when you do this. And the slime already is sticky or stretchy or whatever you'd like to say. Stringy would be a great definition. And I mean, when I do this, I take precaution. I put on old clothes. I've had this short since 2nd grade. Barely fits me. take precaution, dude. Dude, girl, whatever. Do that. Cause it gets messy, but as you can see, the slime still has its tails. Like, look. I obviously can't stretch this bit of slime that good, but let's move on. And next, my hands smell good. You're doing some makeup brush now. Which I've used in different videos. It's clear. It doesn't affect the slime's color. If you're super, super weird about that. Now this is the messiest of quite a few of them. It does get, I'm not joking, messy. I put a lot because this is such a big slime, and not knowing how bad the effect would be, I put a lot, as much as I think it would need. Like, I put 2 times the amount as I would put in a smaller slime. But yeah. And it had like no effect at all. So if you're using a big batch, don't go crazy. Don't use like a whole bottle if you have it. But yeah. Next, lotion. Won't do anything. Just made it stretchier, which I'm in desperate need of. I don't know why it just feels like this, but I will. I need new lotion. I'll see if I can do it to them all. And it's something from Bath and Body Works. This is my mom's. I don't want anyone to be like in my comments like, oh, well, you're so spoiled because you get this fancy Olay lotion. No, it's my mom's. She said I could have it because she never used it. 1, 2, she said like there's no point in her having it because she has other lotions that work way better. I was like, okay, sweet. Comes in handy, obviously. This I'm not gonna lie, makes a slime smell good. It also is a sticky factor activator on hand. Obviously, if you do this, you can add in just one of these, just a lot, or depending on how sticky, non-sticky you want the slime. Next, I'm gonna smell that. It just smells like nail polish. Asthma. But next I'm going to put in shaving cream. I've used this in videos. I made a mix of 2 slimes, of this slime and another slime, and I used this. Worked amazing. I definitely recommend this for slime. I don't know why, but I have this new obsession of sticking out my tongue like I just did, but that was to lick my lips. Not the best habit. Do not get into that, young kids. I love how it makes the slime white. I mean, obviously it's shaving cream, but when I say that, I mean how it makes the slime look circle while it makes the slime look transparent while you're stretching it. You guys can sort of see that. This is messy, but it makes the slime, depending on what you use, makes the slime not as sticky, kind of smooths it out. Kind of can't tell judging by the way it came out, but it smooths it, and it will get all over your hands. Just a quick and easy wash or whatever, hand wash will take that white off, no worries. Just a quick clean of the surface, with a wet rag or something, will take off the shaving cream, probably not even that, just more slime added on. But yeah, it just makes the slime fluffy. That's really all the shaving cream does. Maybe we'll lighten up the color a little bit, but I'm obviously not going to use a whole bottle of pure silk because one, it's expensive. My mom had a $3 off coupon for like $5 of the bottle, and so yeah, my mom used it. It was for the big and tinies. She got the big, obviously, and she said she didn't like it because it was too thick for her legs, and it was too thick for mine. So I use it for slime now. So we just use a shaving gel, not a shaving cream. But yeah, information you guys probably didn't have to know, but I still shared. And last but not least, the scent. This is called Good Night. I've never actually used this in slime. Not sure the effect it will have on it, besides the scent. I don't know. We're about to find out. Wash your hands thoroughly after mixing this. I'm going to tell you that. Because if it gets into your eyes, it hurts like heck. I'm not lying. I've accidentally done it before. Like I'll put some into, because we have a foam machine that sprays them, but that's an old one. And plus we don't like to use that one a lot. I put some of that stuff, not the same stuff, into it, and I rubbed my eye after. Not the nicest sensation in your eye. One more bead falls out, and I saw this slime is dead. And it's been thrown away. Or your nose, it will. If you do use this, it will make your nose. It did to me. I'm not gonna 100% promise this to you, cause I don't know you. So yeah, and I still like one of my friends. And my friend said he watches my YouTube channel. I obviously know her. Not friend, but like sister. We've known each other since we were babies. Like before she was born, I knew her mom, and I knew that her mom was pregnant because I was almost 1 when she was 1. But we are practically like sisters. And this one was in grade, but she started kindergarten early. And yeah. Anyway, I'm going to have to smell. It smells better. Not like nail polish so much, but the Hermione isn't, I would say, the best smell. But that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Me putting random stuff into this super not so hard slime anymore. My nose is itching. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe, and please turn on that notification bell. You will get notified every time I upload a video, which I do have a schedule, but the only reason why I've done this is my fault run tonight is because I got off track. I still have 8 videos to go to film, probably either 1 or 2 more tonight, probably not, because I don't really know what I'm going to do with my slimes or what I am going to film. And then the videos will be uploaded. You guys will be able to see them by hopefully next week, so that way next week I can get back into my routine. But I have a 4-day weekend. Yay! I'm so excited. Great time for filming. Friday, at least 1 video. Hopefully I can get at least 2 done and get 6 filmed tomorrow. But I will see you guys next time on my channel, hopefully at least 2 more times tonight. I hope you have a great night, and if you go to Hamilton local schools, go Angels. For this Friday's game, go Angels. I hope you guys have a great weekend and 4-day weekend if you go to Hamilton local schools. Anyway, bye.